end of week 2 and more stuff is underway. This wall is finally out in its entirety. A little bit of metal work to cut off. The guys need to bring the right tools. All the covering for the walls removed over here so that we can get the plaster at the same level as it is on the left. That wall is all populated with plumbing and electrics and got the base coat of cement to bring it up to the same level as it needs to be. We've got the first round of plumbing in place for the shower, and the guys are cutting out the waste, and they will be removing taps, the main shut-off valves. There's one this side and one the far side. They're both about to be replaced. Let's see what else. Fair bit of small plumbing stuff down here. That's a sink, it's going to go in here. Toilet stays where it is. We'll have a new flushing mechanism. That's going to be closed up here, and the shower is going to come in that corner. So it'll be a little tight in here, but fully functional. We've got more of the materials. That sink's going. We've got a much smaller sink to allow for the smaller size bathroom in the end. And all the other bits that go with it, the plumbing, flushings, toilet seats, blah blah blah, taps. Channeling done here. I think all the electrics were in last week, so no change there. They're pretty much done. There you go. I do recall if the plaster was shown last week, but that's the first layer of plaster in place after the walls are prepared. Most of it's done here as well. Let's just make sure it's all going to stick adequately, and then we'll give it a sand and then a top coat of plaster. There we go. Still been getting more quotes for getting the windows replaced. At least this section here, those last 4 panels. This side here is okay, and the upper sections are okay. They just need to be stripped out, taken back to the bare metal, treated, primed, and then repainted and new glass fitted. Not quite sure when that's going to happen. It shouldn't take too long. We've got 2 more weeks on the project for this, so I'm hoping we can get this wall built, and they have to close off the kitchen, fill in the hole. We've got tiles arriving on Monday, so we can start tiling as soon as any demolition work is finished. I think we're there. And start installing the bathroom stuff. Again, once we're going to plaster on top of the tiles, and there's a particular product they use to treat the tiles that lets the plaster stick quite effectively. So that's going to be, I believe, next week we start doing that stage. And then the floor can start going down in here once we're taking the rubble out. Those bricks should be used up building that wall. Sand will get used as we go along for the construction. Those cans of the massa cojita, the plaster comes already mixed here rather than in powder. So then they apply that with a paint roller, which is a interesting technique, but it works quite well. Okay, enough waffling. It's time to go and enjoy this 31 degrees day outside, which for the middle of winter is quite nice. See you later.